Accelerate agreement signing at scale with eDocuflow by eProfitify. Already familiar with creating and sending an agreement to a single recipient? Now imagine doing the same for hundreds of clients in just minutes. Introducing bulk agreement generation with eDocuflow. Here's how it works. Step-by-step bulk agreement workflow. 1. Create your agreement template. Start by designing your reusable agreement template just like you would for a single client. 2. Access bulk agreement tools. Navigate to the eDocuflow dashboard and select your agreement. Scroll down and find the bulk agreement generation section. 3. Download the sample CSV. Click the button to download a preformatted CSV sample file. This shows you all the merge fields from your agreement, e.g. name, company, amount, etc. 4. Fill in recipient data. Add your recipient information into the file, whether it's 10 or 1,000 clients. Include emails, phone numbers, and any specific field values required by your template. 5. Upload the completed CSV. Upload your file back into eDocuflow. The system will automatically generate personalized agreements for every recipient. 6. Get instant signature links once generated. Download the full list of eSignature links for each agreement. 7. Send agreements with flexibility. Send individually or share a universal link where recipients enter their email and phone number to access and sign their agreement securely. Save days of work. Get it done in minutes. No more manual repetition. No more bottlenecks. Just fast, smart, and secure agreement workflows at scale. eDocuflow by eProfitify, powering efficiency one signature at a time.